Chapter 48. In case you forgot, said Mr. Lemoncello, extreme challenges are extremely challenging and sometimes extremely dangerous. Is Charles doing one? Asked Akimi. He might. I'm going to ask him if he'd like to next. Mr. Lemoncello had changed out of his judge's costume into some kind of cat burglar outfit. Black pants, ribbed black turtleneck, and sporty black beret. Is that costume a clue? Asked Haley. Because it goes with the whole bandit theme. I don't know, but Dr. Zinchenko told me to wear it for the big finale. Is there going to be a finale? Maybe with Charles, mumbled Kyle. We're sort of stuck. At least until 11, added Sierra. That's when the most important clue will appear on the ceiling. Really? Said Mr. Lemoncello. That Dr. Zinchenko, the woman knows how to build suspense. So let's do the extreme challenge, said Haley. What do we have to lose? The whole game, said Akimi. Not for all of us, said Kyle. I'll do the challenge. After all, I'm the team captain. You are? Said Haley. We had an election, said Akimi, yesterday. Oh, cool. But Kyle, said Miguel, if you blow the extreme challenge, you lose, bro. Not if my team wins. No, said Mr. Lemoncello. If you lose Kyle, you lose. You will not be allowed to share in the big prize. Fine. I'm going with you, said Haley. No, you're not, said Mr. Lemoncello. I have to. Look, we both know I'd be a fabulous spokesmodel for your games and stuff, but I can't just glom onto everything Kyle and his team have already dug up. I have to earn my place on this team. Sorry, Haley. Extreme challenges are, and always will be, solo efforts. But, Mr. Lemoncello held up his hand. No buts. Kyle must face this challenge alone. However, yes? The rest of you can watch his progress on the video screens and cheer him on over the intercom system. You are a cheerleader, aren't you, Haley? Yep, said Kyle, but she's never cheered for me. Well, I will this time, I promise. Excellent, said Mr. Lemoncello. By the way, Kyle, there is no backing out once you commit to the challenge. Fine, said Kyle. Let's do it. Go, Kyle, go, shouted Haley. Akimi flinched. Warning next time, please? Sorry. Mr. Lemoncello touched his ear again. Here is your extreme challenge. Dr. Zinchenko tells me. The answer you seek, he paused to listen. The key to this code is a memory box that holds the mother lode. What? Mr. Lemoncello shrugged. Sorry, I don't write 'em. I only recite 'em. Wait, there's more. Forget the Industrial Revolution. My first idea is your certain solution. The room was silent. Mr. Lemoncello touched his ear once more and continued. And now it's time for the addendum. Huh? A last-minute addition. The box had been here, but now it is there. Poor Kyle, your fate is up in the air. Mr. Lemoncello stood there grinning for several seconds. Is that it? Said Kyle. Yes. Find what you are looking for before the second floor doors open, and it is yours. Fail, and you, Kyle, will be eliminated from the game, and your team, due to that series of unfortunate events, will be forced to struggle on without you. Good luck. You have 15 minutes. And Mr. Lemoncello left the room. Dude, said Miguel, shaking his head. You are so dead. Wait a second, said Haley. I think I know how to find what Mr. Lemoncello was talking about. You do? Said Kyle. I better. I'm the one who moved it from here to there.